Hello everyone, you all guys are listening me on an Academy online platform. Today's topic is a very interesting topic that is called Miyawaki method. Miyawaki method is actually a kind of forestations, and generally this forestation is actually in those areas which we are going to make free. But this Miyawaki method is generally used for the forestation just for the small areas, temporary areas, in urban areas, and this was the topic that is recently in your prelims examination also. This topic is connected with the science attack, environment, and all the processes. This is my lesson number 112, and before it, I have already completed earlier lessons. And many of the question, even in your paper, already UPSC asked. So, myself Ravi Agrahari, and I'm a director of Purvanchal IAS from last 18 years. I'm taking the classes for civil service examinations, and my two books are published on the McGraw-Hill. The one is on science and tech, the second is on environment. My Telegram channel you can see on the screen t.me/review-underscore-academy. Here you can find out my entire PDF. My Academy profile you can see on the screen regarding live courses on an Academy, and connect with me. You can follow me here. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any courses, use it. Get the extra discount. India's best educator for UPSC CSE you will get on an Academy. They are taking your live lessons. An Academy unlock here 20% of flat discount we are providing you guys for the UPSC CSE subscriptions. So 12 months to 36 months, any kind of subscription, if you are taking the flat 20% discount, you can get it. So valid till July 29. So WPSC is the code. Kindly use and join these courses. 20% flat off and plus 20 booklets that we are providing as a part of the courses that we are providing you to 29 July. So don't miss it, guys. Unacademy is ready to give you options if you are going to purchase a 2 years and above subscription. So get a CSC Assure option here. The extra year of validity Unacademy will provide you with the Ravi UPSC code. Kindly join. My code is Ravi UPSC, as you already know very well. But one thing more I'll suggest to all of you: if anybody have a financial crunch and although you people can find take a 0% EMI based loan, visit your Unacademy. Why Unacademy is the best? So we are providing the best educators, flexibility, courses, unlimited views, live mentorship. 178 plus toppers in 2021 already got select under the guidance of Unacademy. UPSC CSE GS Combat. The next was 31st July at 11 a.m. Don't miss. 60 minutes, 50 questions you have to give. Scholarship worth rupees 4 crore. We are providing you Ravi UPSC code. Use and join this. So finally, we are here into the topic of discussion, Miyawaki. Miyawaki method is actually what it is, the projects, and somehow that is the discussion under the India's promise and of the Paris Agreement. As you know, the Paris Agreement is actually in 2015, and the purpose of Paris Agreement was to stabilize the environment against greenhouse gases. Again, I repeat, to stabilize the environment against the greenhouse gases. And Paris Agreement was a part of UNFCCC. Paris Agreement was a part of UNFCCC. UNFCCC is United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. It was the 21st meeting of UNFCCC. That was, I can tell you, as COP21 2015. And this COP21 2015 was a great initiatives, and they got worldwide very, very popular. Today I'm making this class video of 2022, but still I'm taking the name of Paris Agreement, that whatever the decision has been taken. Okay, in these discussion that people have, people will follow them, especially against the greenhouse gases. So Miyawaki project that I brought this discussion to all of you guys, as India's promise under the Paris Agreement to improve the green cover from 25 to 33%. Okay, green cover means as like forestation and all that, 25 to 35%, 25 to 33%, how it will be achieved. So somehow Miyawaki project will also help them. Okay, even 100 of Miyawaki forests in India already working there, but no one has kept track on them. Okay, and that is the here I'm telling you guys, Miyawaki, and definitely you will have a more and more curiosity to know about what is Miyawaki actually. Miyawaki method is named with its creator, that is Akira Miyawaki. Akira Miyawaki was a Japanese botanist and even the plant ecologist. So this person brought this concept, that's why the name got popular with the name of this botanist. As a scientist, I can tell you Miyawaki method. Actually, Miyawaki method is the same is that method, guys, that is most effective for the tree plantations. Definitely, you people will ask me, sir, why it is the most effective method? I'll prove you guys. Just give me some time. But one thing, guys, this is the method why I'm telling you most effective, because whatever the procedure you are going to adopt for the plantation and all, it is quickest method on the degraded land. So for creating the forest cover quickly on the degraded land, Miyawaki method is the best solutions. As per the human requirement, we are going to deteriorate the nature of the land, guys. Deteriorate the quality and fertility of the land. But don't worry, Miyawaki method will solve all the issues, guys. It is based on the natural reforestation principle, and that is the keyword. These three keywords you have to remember. Why I'm telling you natural reforestation, guys? In the nature, okay, what kind of reforestations are possible there in the particular area, we will prefer them. Not other any plant, those are not the natural habitat in that particular area. The reason the particular areas, those have a natural habitats and all the plants, guys, they can easily grow with very less efforts. Okay, with very less efforts. So this is the reason, guys, here we are using the trees to the native to the area, guys. Native to the area, guys, those are already growing in the particular areas. And in that way, guys, we are replicating the natural forest. Regenerating process is very, very fast. The reason, again, I'm telling you, the natural areas, natural lands, same type of the plants, those are the natural plants we are growing there. So that is the reason already the condition, everything in the favor of the growth of the plants. The most essential principle of the Miyawaki method is what? Species of trees that would occur naturally in that area, we will grow them. We will grow there. Selection of species to the plant in a given area is very, very important information. And this is the totally based on the potential natural vegetations. Okay, this whole the concept is dependent on the potential natural vegetations. So vegetation that would occur in the specific area without further human interference, this is very, very important in the case of Miyawaki. And definitely, guys, in this particular area, if the natural habitat and natural native of the plants, we are growing there. So definitely no interference is required, no extra input is required, no extra energy is required, and not even the input cost will be there. And that is the reason in minimum and minimum expenditure. I think say I should say like without any expenditure, this type of forest areas will fastly grow, and it is the mode of the reforestation. The different types of trees people can see there in Miyawaki method as per the distances why people grow there. Okay, shrub layer, like you can see the one of the layer is a sub tree layer. You can find out. See, this is up to here the shrub layer. Then there is a height is sub tree layer. Then there is a height of tree layer, and that is a height of canopy layer. So that everything will be in the proper arrangement in the case of Miyawaki method. That to the help of picture you can understand here, guys. In this method, though planting we are doing there, guys. 2 to 4 trees in per square meter we are doing. See what about the procedure we are following. Miyawaki forests grow in 2 to 3 years. Miyawaki forests grow in 2 to 3 years and are self-sustaining forest. They even help, whatever happened when the Miyawaki method you apply in the particular area. Definitely now the particular area will have a rich and rich forest, rich and rich for plantations. When the rich forest and plantation are there, so definitely the temperature will be not high. In those areas have a heat island, guys, where the temperature increase in the summer. In these cases, it will reduce the air and noise pollution. Reason, they will work as a barrier, guys. Okay, they will work as a barrier for the noise and all. They attract the local birds and insect for their own breeding also. And a part of this, guys, these all the plants, those they were increasing, they will absorb the more and more carbon dioxide. So they work as a carbon sink. Okay, they work as a carbon sink. Now, one thing more, guys, in this case, the best procedure of the Miyawaki method is where? Okay, even some significant benefit over the traditional forestry method is what? In the particular and smaller area. For the smaller area, a forestation projects, it is the best one, Miyawaki. Is particularly effective in the urban environment. So in the urban environment area, for the particular local area, Miyawaki method is the best solutions. Okay, and that UPSC asked a question in 2022. It was a question based on in the urban areas people can go for the Miyawaki method. Urban areas, the guys, many of the areas is a small areas, but still is free, not even any users. So through Miyawaki method, in that particular area, those are the native plants. Okay, we people can grow there with less effort. That productivity of the plant will be very, very high. So that's just a local area that massive plantation is there, and this plantation is actually in the Miyawaki methods. Okay, now the question is what kind of benefit in the Miyawaki methods? Really, what kind of benefit to the Miyawaki method? The one part, guys, like it's a unique methodology to work worldwide, irrespective of the soil and the climate conditions. Okay, it is irrespective of the soil and climate condition. The one part. The second one, 30 times more trees planted here, guys. Approximately 30 times more trees planted as compared to the other plantation technique. In the case of Miyawaki, the another benefit. The third one, guys, are 300% more species in the same areas are possible. Minimum 300 species. See the growth of the plants and productivities of the plants in comparison to other plantation species. So you just imagine, guys, in this type of areas, you are not going to grow the native plants, native varieties. So definitely the productivity up to this level is not what productivity. I can tell you it is higher. than the normal level, yeah, expected level. But still 30 times more trees planted in that area, 300% more trees in the same areas as compared to conventional planted species are not possible. And see guys, 3000%, my God, 3000% increase of the noise and dust isolation. So you can stop the noise and dust around 3000%, my God. 30 times or more carbon dioxide absorptions are there as a carbon sink. Guaranteed growth of at least 1 meter every year in the tree heights. So in this particular area, at least 1 meter every year is a average heights. They will maintain the free, wild and native forest after the first 3 years. And some more information I'll tell you guys. Comparatively here, people are not going to apply any kind of chemical fertilizers. So ultimately, we are promoting the permaculture in this particular area. We are promoting total permaculture in this particular area. And see one thing more guys, it also supports the local biodiversity. We are not using the chemicals and all, so somehow it will not affect the diversity there. So this is the Miyawaki method and all, that is very, very important for your paper. Okay, that even may be a good question in your mains examination. So I brought this here in this PDF for that PPT purposes. You people can follow this. All the Telegram channel and all. That is the question like UPSC question. Miyawaki method is well known for the promotion of commercial farming in arid and semi areas, development of garden using the genetically modified flora, creation of mini forests in the urban areas, harvesting wind energy on the coastal areas and on the sea surfaces. So kindly give me the answer in the comment box. And at last, this is the Telegram channel where you can find out all the entire PDF. t.me/Ravi UPSC _ Academy. Here you can find out my PDF and my all the video links. My Unacademy profile, unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out my the plus classes and the special classes. My course is Ravi UPSC. During joining any classes, if you people use it, you will get extra 10% discount. Legend Wisdom series Road to LBS and Unacademy brought a new initiative to all of you that is started from the 20th July onwards. And here in these cases, guys, you will get a lot of development inside you in your personality development, your answer writing, in interview programs and all. So kindly enroll now to connect with all of them and to develop your personality and improve your writing skill. UPSC CSE next batches even started from the 28th July 2020-22. Here you will get the 20 GS booklets also. These batches are going to start from the bilingual and English medium both. The courses of science and tech environment are running now. Here 30 plus questions UPSC asks. Easily you people are able to solve 20 plus questions after reading my books of both published on the McGraw-Hill and listen my all the entire classes on the plus courses. So kindly use the code Ravi UPSC to join my classes. At last I'll tell you guys, kindly subscribe the channel. Okay, but before it, I'll tell you, if you want to connect with me to directly, you people can call me on the given number 7825860225. Yes, if you want to follow me, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share this video. Download this PDF from the Telegram groups. Thank you everyone. Meet you soon in the next class with some new topics. God bless you. Jai Hind.